Hi guys! So this is our ocean unit. We start with our ocean life. We're counting how many creatures. One fish, and the children put one in there. Two sharks. They put the number, and then they color this. And this is our ocean booklet, reading booklet. We also have our printed works and games. So we have, they color this and they trace the octopus. O is for octopus. This right here, what it is the beginning sounds. So like, for example, they look at this and they're like, okay, so this, what is this? This is a turtle, and turtle starts with T. Can you find the T? So they find the T and they can mark it. This is dolphin. The sound of dolphin is duh, duh. What's the letter D? And let's find the D on here. And so it might be better if instead of doing this all at once like this, because all these letters and all these pictures kind of get a little confusing for the kids, to cut them up in single pieces. That would be much easier, and have them look at it one at a time. And I've got this one too. It's working on phonics and their sounds. I've got cutting out whales and sorting them by size, big and little. You can do it in a little row. I have sort, cut, and paste. What lives in the ocean and what lives on the sand. And you can cut this out, or at least cut this part out and have your kids cut up that way. And then they can kind of sort it out and see which one is ocean. Here's a picture of the ocean so they can see for reference, and this is a picture of land so they can see that for reference. Again, this is one of those dot pieces where they get a Q-tip and they paint with a dot or a crayon to fill the fish in. Here's pre-writing units. There's another pre-writing unit. And another pre-writing where they're just tracing the line. So that's the paperwork. Now we have how many fish are in the ocean. So in the back, there's different fish and then numbers. So you would put, so let me give you an example. You would put, maybe you would put down 3 fish. 3 fish. And then you would put down maybe, let's try with 2 numbers. Okay, you try with 2 numbers. Here. Okay. So you try with 2 numbers first before you go and you put 3 or 4 numbers up here. And then you'd have your child count how many fish. 1, 2, 3. Can you find the 3 and put it in the box? So they would find the 3 and put it in the box. You know, and then you can, to get it more complicated, you could add a number and see if they can find the 3. So that's that game. This is laminated too, so this would last for a while. All right, let me take this back here. We have here, this is our jellyfish. So they can color paint whatever color they want their jellyfish. Here's eyes and 2 eyeballs, and they can put it on the jellyfish and make their own jellyfish for ocean. This right here is a big long strip, and this will be their ocean hat. And they do a center, they can do the crab as the center. I've got little eyeballs they can glue on the crab, and then little fish. They can color this if they want to. It is a a handwriting strip, so if they want to, they can write their name on the strip too, and wear the hat. I would love to see that. This right here is our rainbow fish. So there's a tail. I'm not going to take this out because I don't want to lose all the parts. There's a tail, and there's this part would be the head. So there's an eye that will go here. The heart is the lips, and then there's a blue tail that goes here, and a fin that goes here, and a fin that goes here. And then you know how they've got the little silvery mesh that's in the story of the blue fish. Here's the little silver parts, and then right here is the little colorful parts. So they can color their fish blue, and then when it dries, except for this part, I think, or maybe this a little bit lighter blue, and then when it dries, they can glue the little colors and make it a rainbow fish. And we'll be reading that story in this unit. Thank you, and that is our ocean unit.